Hi, my name is Lauren, and today I'm going to discuss how to use thinning scissors. Thinning scissors are very notched on one side. They are used either to texturize or remove bulk within hair. The serrated edge allows for only pieces of hair to be cut that are in the in-between edge, so that way not every piece of hair gets cut. If you are looking to do I suggest doing it more or less in the mid-level, mid-area of your hair, so that way you don't go too short and you don't have pieces sticking up. You would grab a section, pull your thinning shears out, your hair out, use your thinning shears and go about mid-shaft and just kind of notch into them. And you can go both ways in order to make sure you're really removing that bulk. Then you simply comb out the hair, take your top piece again and lay it down, and your hair on your sides will be a lot thinner because you remove some of that bulk that is by your scalp. And that is how to use thinning shears.